So you see how it looks after one week of use of the car. It looks terrible. So that's why I need to install something like this to protect the back of the car. And yeah, and this material is very durable, and it looks like it's the same material, the same touch. So highly recommend to buy this for your Tesla, whatever model you have. I think they compatible with actually with all Teslas. Just need to double check. So we have 2 kids, and after 2 kids, Tesla was very dirty. The back seat, and my wife just got this kind of covers. I'll do my best. I'm not sure how it's done. Oh, I got you now. So it's basically to cover there's like, you can push it in. So you can protect the back of the seat. So when kids are kicking, it's protected. We ordered it on Amazon. I'm not sure how much the cost is, but it's well worth it. Okay, so this side is harder, probably because I did the other side first. But it's very neat. I'll show you the final product. But I like it a lot. Just make sure it's like everything's stuck up in. Just be careful when you're mounting at the bottom. There's a lot of cables, so I just found there's some material. Do you see my and it's small hook. Sorry, not hook. There's like, I think you can slide in. I hope you can see it. Yeah, and on the other side the same thing. So it's not too much tension, but just to secure it. So this kind of back seat cover is only useful if you have kids still in car seats. The older kids will not kick the back of the seat, so it should be okay. So only if you have a kids in car seat, you need this cover, unless you want to protect the seats. But if not, you don't need this product. But if you do have still kids in car seats, you should definitely get one of those products.